well, happy to see you that you have completed all the interview questions, and now we are in the bonus videos. The very first video is on the certifications which you can do it after completing, or if you wanted to become a business central functional consultant, then these certifications will help you out. So this is the general certification for functional consultant, that is business central functional consultant associate. So this certification number is MB800. Okay, so you can see here, this is the exam and this is the job role, business central functional consultant. Okay, so you have to write one certification exam, that is you have to appear one exam in order to get this certification. So these are the learning path. This is excellent option in Microsoft, that they have given you a self paced learning path, that is you can learn whenever you are free. So here you can see, this is the item collection. So this is first learning path, and if you just scroll down, you can see the further learning paths here. So you have nearly, I think, more than 15 learning paths. So each learning path has its own module. Okay, so this module, so here you can see, here it has three modules. Okay, this particular learning path has three modules, and once if you click here, it will take you to the module, and here you can also see how many hours it will take you to do this module, to clear this module. And also you can see that every module, for every module you can see the time and how many units it has. So you can see how much time it will take to complete each module, so you can plan accordingly. I have already scheduled a plan and the template for you. I'll be attaching that here. Please use that if you wanted to learn that. Okay, so you can just open every individual path and understand this. I think this is, of course, 45 to 50 hours of modules completely I'm talking about. So you can learn it. And you can also enroll for instructor led training, which you have to pay. Okay, so there will be an instructor led training as well for MB800 course, and you have to pay for that. You can select when it is available for you. Okay, and you can also see that there is an extras, that is here, this is a complete thing. Okay, self-paced. If you wanted to enroll, if you wanted to register for this course and do that, you can also register for this course. Okay, where I'll be adding a video link for that. You can see how to register for any certification and how to appear for the exam. Okay, this is for general functional consultant, Microsoft Dynamics 365 functional consultant associate. This certification is important, and it will give you an additional advantage if you are trying to become a trying to join any company. Apart from this, you have other set of business central certifications as well here. So here you can see Microsoft Dynamics 365, which is this is specifically for CRM. Okay, that is only for customer relationship management module, and the exam number is MB910. Here you can see, this is for MERP, that is enterprise resource planning, and this is MB920. Okay, likewise, wherever it is starting MB, you can find that is related to business central. Okay, MB900, MB 800. So there are various special thing. And of course, there are another set of certifications which are coming up next year as well. So hope you had a better idea of what are the certifications you have to do it for your business central functional consultant, if you want to become a business central functional consultant. So see you in the next video, where I'll be showing you how to search for business central functional jobs and apply for that.